Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So on the channel, we've been talking about the new YouTube layout, where for premium users, Google has been testing a new layout and a redesign, which, as I mentioned in a previous video, seems to be here to stay. And the feature couldn't be turned off anymore, and I'll leave that video down below and in the end screen if you'd like some more info. And just a quick recap, here we can see that the change basically is that your title, your description, comments, and everything else gets placed here to the right-hand side, and your suggested videos are placed underneath the main video. Now, as I've mentioned previously, I don't and didn't like this design. It just didn't fit in with my workflow. Maybe it's just muscle memory, and also saw on the channel in a lot of comments that this was not the favorite of a lot of viewers of this channel. Now, I may have good news, and today in my part of the world, it seems that Google may have changed their mind, because I'm noticing this across all my Google accounts on all my devices in different Chrome browsers, that the so-called old layout is back, where we get our main video. To the right-hand side, we get our suggestions. And then underneath we get underneath the main video, it's back to normal, where we get the title, description, comments, and so on. So I hope this is here to stay. This has been a bit of a backwards and forwards process. And the reason I'm posting is because it's reverted back on all my premium accounts across different browsers. So it seems that Google may have changed their mind, which I hope this is now back to how it was, the old layout, and they're not going to change back and revert back to the new layout, which a lot of users I have found, including myself, did not like. And if we head over to youtube.com/new, here we can see, although it says try experimental new features for premium, it also says there's no features, new features that are available right now. So I hope this is an indication that the old layout, so to speak, is back, and that new layout has permanently been removed now. So I just wanted to put it out there because this has been a bit of up and down, and just wanted to keep you guys posted, because obviously you're watching this on YouTube, and just wanted to keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.